Bender. We got the culvert running. You can see the little whirlpool there. She's feeding water like a big dog. Doesn't look like it's running much on this side. But wait till you get to the other side. We've got flow. That's what we needed right there. First step to draining Joe's swamp. There's the sewer snake. Excellent. Let her drain. This whole thing should drain now. Running over the road right there. And the culverts are running. We'll see how she drains out. More water running over the driveway here. We think this is going to stop running right away, so it won't run any more of our gravel out. We have got her draining. Hopefully this whole frickin' swamp drains. This water level's 8 inches higher than this water level, and hopefully with the opening of that culvert, down she goes.